Toto, the baby elephant, and Pip, the duckling, were playing near the river. Suddenly, Toto stepped on something soft. It was a piece of paper, torn and wet. Pip squinted. It's a map! Half of it was missing, but it pointed toward Willow Hill. Let's follow it, Pip flapped. As they walked, they spotted a tree marked with red chalk, just like on the map. Then a rock with a star, then a stream with a ribbon. But when the trail ended, they were lost. Pip's feathers drooped. It's no use. Toto smiled and lifted Pip onto his back. Let's draw the missing part ourselves. Using a stick and mud, they finished the path together. Just then, under a bush, they found the other half of the map. And beside it, a small wooden box filled with shiny buttons and old toy coins. Treasure! Pip cheered. Found by teamwork, Toto grinned.